So hello folks and welcome to a brand new video of Mr.π, and we are trying to solve this question which was asked in the AMC10 question. This question is quite messy if you see at a glance because there are many circles and we have to find the area of the unshaded region. So give it a pause and try it. 3, 2, 1. So let's begin. So now to find the area we must use subtraction method. So first of all, let's find the area of the bigger circle, which I will denote as 1. So the area of the circle is, first see what is the radius occupied by the circle. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 units. So 6 units is the diameter, so its radius is 3 units. So the area, let's write it as a1 of the greater circle will be pi r square, which is 3 square equals to 9 pi. Okay, so the greater circle has an area of 9 pi. Now let's look at the second bigger circle. So the second bigger circle a2 has a diameter of 1 2 3 4 4 units, so its radius will be 1 2 units. Okay, so its radius will be 2 units, which is pi into 2 square equals to 4 pi. Now we have to find the area of the unshaded region. So to find the area of this unshaded part, we must subtract the area of this shaded part. So sorry, I think I made a mistake. We have to find the area of the shaded part. So the A2 area is the whole area. Now to find the area of the shaded part within this second bigger circle, we have to subtract these smaller areas. So let's coin it as a dash. So a dash equals to the total area minus the smaller areas, which is this, which is a radius of 1 unit. So two circle which has a area of pi into 1, which is 2 pi. So 4 pi minus 2 pi equals to 2 pi. So the first shaded area is 2 pi. And lastly, we have three circles with a radius of 0.5, which is 1 by 2. So 3 a3 area third equals to 3 into pi. Single radius is 1 by 2 square, which is 3 by 4 pi. Okay, so we found the greater circle area, which is a 9 pi, the circle, the shaded part, which is 2 pi. Now what we can do is we can subtract this all areas from the larger area, which is 9 pi. So if we subtract 2 pi, so the 2 pi is the area of the shaded region, so we can cancel this out. Okay, the largest area, we can cancel this out. And similarly, by subtracting these three circles, we can also shade this portion out, and we will finally get remaining white portion. So hence answer area equals to 9 pi. Okay, 9 pi, which is the grand total, minus the area of the shaded part, which is 2 pi, and finally minus the area of the three shaded portion, which is 3 by 4 pi. So 9 4 36 pi minus 4 to the 8 pi minus 3 pi upon 4. So 38 minus 3 11, 36 pi minus 11 pi by 4 is equal to 25 by 4 pi, which is the required answer. I hope you like the video. If you have any queries below, then please don't forget to comment down. I will just have to answer the comment, and I would wish that you have understood the video. Thank you.